What's the meaning of All Saints' Day? All Saints' Day. All Saints' Day. All Saints' Day. All Saints' Day. All Saints' Day.
All Saints' Day is a Christian holiday that is celebrated on November 1st. It is a day when Christians honor all of the saints, both known and unknown, who have lived exemplary lives, and are believed to be in heaven. The holiday has been celebrated since the 4th century, and is associated with many traditions, including attending church services, lighting candles, and visiting the graves of loved ones. Overall, All Saints' Day is an important day for Christians to reflect on the lives of the saints, and to recognize their own potential for holiness.